How to check Snapchat followers. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile located on top left corner of your screen. In here, simply click on Public Profile, which is beside my account. In here, beside your username, you'll find followers. But if you try to click on it, you won't be able to see specific who followed you, but only numbers. You can also do is go to Insight, which is beside Spotlight, and then click on your story. And in there you'll find insight of the people who viewed. You can only see numbers. And this is how to check Snapchat followers. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.